Hey guys, welcome back to Sometimes Science, where we sometimes upload science videos. But you know, sometimes we don't upload science videos. But today is not one of those times. So, let's get right to our experiment. And of course, you will need your safety gear. So, you will need your lab coat. We are dealing with electricity today, so you will also need safety gloves. You also need your safety eyewear and your safety hat. Okay? And just in case, you do need a mask for today, okay? Because COVID can be transmitted through electricity. So, let's get our gear on. Now that we have our safety gear on, let's get right to our experiment. So today, we will be making a super speed motor, okay? So, for this experiment, you will need a battery, a piece of wire, a small screw, and a neodymium magnet. Mine is very small, so that is what it looks like. Right there. Shoot. You also need scissors or a wire stripper. And a small piece of electrical tape is optional. Okay, so the first thing that you're going to do is get your screw and put the neodymium magnet on the end. Just like that. Okay, screw, magnet on the end. Mine's a little bit small, yours may go off the edges, and that's fine too. Then you will want to take your piece of wire and you're going to strip the end off of it, okay? Your wire should be about 4 or 5 inches in length, and you're going to want to strip the end off. I'm going to take my gloves off a minute, so I don't really know why I put them on. But I'm going to use my scissors and strip about that much off of my wire. Takes a little bit of practice at first, but I'm an expert, so don't, oh shoot. Okay, and do the same with the other end. Okay, so a little bit stripped off that end and a little bit stripped off that end. Then you'll take your battery, and with your electrical tape, this is optional, you can just hold your wire on the end like that, but I'm going to use electrical tape and tape it there. Okay, then you're going to take your magnet and your screw, put it on the bottom of the battery. The magnet should be able to hold the screw up in place, and if not, you can just hold it there yourself. Okay, now it's time to test out our experiment. So, I'm going to put my gloves back on because this is a highly dangerous experiment. Right in the end. And then you're going to touch the end of your wire to the end there, and it should start spinning around. Yep, and then it'll stop, and you just reposition it, spin it. I'll get a little bit closer. Alright, cool. So, if your battery does not work, try using different kinds of screws. I'm not actually sure what kind of screw this was, but the book says to use a small drywall screw. Small drywall screw. Okay? So that did not work. So I used this. So this works because the magnet creates a magnetic field. And then when you touch the wire to the magnet, it completes the circuit from the battery. Isn't that cool? You don't really need gloves because it's not a very dangerous experiment. I have gotten shocked before, like really just do that. You can even touch the wire, but it won't. Thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to check out our other videos here, or in the description. And in the description, you can find the link to buy my book, Have You Seen the Polar Bear? Let me know in the comments if you've seen the polar bear. Alright, thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you next time on Sometimes Science.